Not great conditions. We're gonna try to mow the American flag into the lawn right now. This is the area I'm gonna try to do it here. It's very dry. You can see my drain field is working in reverse. All I'm doing right now is mowing at my 3.5 inches. I roughly come to this area where I know I'm gonna put the flag. I'm pressing the trigger on the joystick to raise the deck to about whatever it is, 5.5 inches, 6 inches. Carrying it over to about the trees, dropping it. And once I do that, we'll mow it this way. And I think the stars will go over there. That's enough talking. Let's get to it. You guys go wait up there. Well, here's the finished product. Here would be the bottom of the flag, and I think it was about this tree. And we still need rain bad, but it turned out pretty well. Got interrupted the first night I tried to do it. When I tried to put my drone up, I got called in to fly the work drone. It was well after dark when I got home. And then yesterday I got it done, but also had to work some overtime. So it's July 4th. Everything's all done. Turned out really well. And I'll just do a quick picture that I was able to get, maybe a video, but I just freehanded all these stars with marking paint. So by the time you guys see this, the 4th has passed. I hope you had a good weekend. Make sure to remember that it's not just a long weekend, that we're celebrating it for the right reasons. And yeah, have a good one. Be safe. We'll check you later.